If you want to remove a background in Photopea for free, this method is one of the fastest ways to do it, especially when your image has a simple or solid background. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the magic wand tool to cleanly remove a background step by step so you can get a transparent cutout in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load the image you want to edit. Once your photo is open, look at the left toolbar and find the magic wand tool. It looks like a little sparkling wand. If you don't see it right away, right-click on the Object Selection Tool icon to reveal the other tools underneath. Or simply press W on your keyboard to switch to it quickly. Now, before you click anything, take a look at the options bar across the top of the screen. This is where you can fine-tune how the tool works. One of the most important settings here is tolerance. For most solid or simple backgrounds, a value between 15 and 20 works really well. If you set the tolerance lower, the selection becomes more strict and only grabs colors that are very close to the spot you click. If you set it higher, it will select a wider range of similar shades. So if your background is pretty even, start around 15 and adjust from there if needed. You should also make sure Contiguous is checked. This is important because it tells Photopea to select only the connected area of that color. In other words, it won't accidentally grab matching colors that appear elsewhere in the image, like part of your subject's clothing or shadows in a different area. For simple background removal, that setting gives you much more control. Once your settings are ready, click directly on the background color you want to remove. You'll see a blinking selection line appear around the area you clicked. That tells you Photopea has detected the background and selected it. If the selection looks good, you're already most of the way there. But if part of the background was missed, don't worry. Just hold down the Shift key and click on the missing background pieces to add them to the selection. This is a great way to clean up any leftover sections without starting over. As you build the selection, keep an eye on the edges around your subject. The goal is to select the background, not the person or object you want to keep. If the selection starts grabbing too much of the subject, you can lower the tolerance and try again. If it's not selecting enough background, increase the tolerance slightly and click again. Small adjustments can make a big difference. When you're happy with the selection, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. That will remove the selected background instantly. If your image now shows a checkerboard pattern, that means the background has been removed and the transparent area is ready to export. This is exactly what you want if you're making product photos, profile images, thumbnails, or any other graphic that needs a clean cutout. If you still see a few leftover bits of background after deleting, you can repeat the process and select those pieces again. Sometimes, with shadows, gradients, or slightly uneven colors, you may need to click a few extra spots to finish the job. But for solid backgrounds, the Magic Wand tool is usually the easiest and fastest option in Photopea. And that's it. You now know how to remove a background in Photopea for free using the Magic Wand tool. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect for simple backgrounds. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.